Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do my first ever package opening. Now, as you know, I've already got two controllers. But I don't like one of them. So, we're not going to use this one straight away. Because one of them is not even broken. So we're not going to use this one straight away. Just telling it, you already know it's an Xbox controller. So let's get into it. Comment, thingy. Try to guess in the comments below what it might be. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! So yeah guys, it is a red Xbox controller. As you see there, it says Xbox. So this is pretty sick. You can also see in the back what it looks like a bit more. So let's open this bad boy. You see, even the thingies are red. Even the A and the X and the B and the Y are red. So I'm just gonna open the plastic bits quick. Got one. Got two. Okay, I've done them. So super fast. So let's open this now. See, that's the handle right there. I'm gonna put the camera down. So I can just open it. And there we go, guys. There it is. There is the controller. There is the red controller. It looks like it's turned on, but it's not. Yo, it even feels good. They're actually red, even the buttons. And you can see on the back they look pretty cool and well. This might look black to you on the back, but it's actually not black. It's dark red. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And we got something in there, so I'm gonna leave that there for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this pack opening. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And peace. Also, this video was sponsored by Xbox One. And yeah.